that's where governance sort of plays a big role.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, it's an interesting problem in tech because you often are flying the plane or you're building the plane as you make it,
yeah,
and I think people kind of get stuck or they kind of get they forget that some of the stuff actually matters.
yeah. And so, as an example of that, one of the cases that I teach in my class is an old case on the browser wars, Netscape versus Microsoft. And the we have a whole bunch of other cases about Microsoft that follow on, but nowadays we teach a case about cloud computing also with Microsoft Azure. And so as part of the class, we invited in a Microsoft executive to come speak to the students.
And it was really an interesting time because I do remember the optimism of tech at that time, of particularly information tech. There was a great deal of optimism. I don't think people really were understanding that the implications that were coming from it, which is part of the reason why Facebook has gotten into trouble, I
Oh yeah.
think, too, right? That, hey, we're messing around with things here and they have large impacts. And so maybe we should actually think about these impacts.